So whenever I actually go ahead and create a new tab in Google Chrome, it actually opens up this. But let's say what I want to do is I want to load Google Photos and my photos directly. In that case, what you can actually do is install out an extension. So as long as you're using Chromium-based browsers, you can actually go around over here onto the app drawer and then go to the Chrome Web Store. You can also do this in any Chromium-based web browsers, and you can access chromewebstore.google.com. Then over here, what you can simply do is type in, let's say, for example, photo, new tab right here, just like this. And once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. So photos new tab is an option. So you can go ahead and add this to Chrome right here. And once you go ahead and do this, what happens is that new tab is installed. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to click on new tab, you can actually see that it opens up something else. So just like this, you would see pictures of your Google Photos. But for that, you need to connect your Google account to get your personalized photos right here. So you can go ahead and select out any account right here. Or let me just go ahead and then refresh this. Use this account as well. So you can use any account that you like here as well, and then connect it out. So let's just go around over here and then connect my Google Photos account to it. So let's just go ahead. Let's just refresh this because this is not working again. And then once I do this, what happens is that it'll load up the photos that I have inside of my Google account right here. So now once you do that, it loads up the album data right there, and you'll be able to see your Google Photos there each time you create a new tab. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.